Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to add columns in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, open your spreadsheet, then begin by opening your Google Sheet where you want to add a column. Now select the column to the right of where you want to add your column. This is the column that your new one will appear next to. Now you will see there is a small arrow that appears on the column name. Click on this arrow and choose Insert one column to the left. This action will add a new column to the left. So here is your new column. Your new column is now ready for data entry. That's it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.